Good morning, dear students. Today I will start chapter 12. Name of the chapter 12 is the moving air is wind. Name of the chapter 12 is the moving air is wind. You know that air can move things. It helps you to fly kites. It helps you to fly kites, and moving air is called wind. Question is arises here, what is the wind? Moving air is called wind. And if you peep out of the window of a running train, you can feel the wind. You can feel the wind. So we can say that air we can't see, only we can feel the air. We can't see the air, we can feel, only we can feel the air. And you know that wind has a speed. Obviously wind has a speed, and wind has its speed, and if you ride a bicycle with the wind, your speed increases. But if you ride a bicycle with opposite against the wind, then your speed decreases. So we can say that by this example we can see that wind has speed, and when the wind blows softly and gently, it is called the breeze, and you can enjoy a cool breeze. When the wind blows fast and strong, we can say that it is called a storm. It is called a storm. Wind has speed. When the wind blows softly and gently, it is called a breeze. You can enjoy a cool breeze. And you know that when the wind blows fast and strong, then it is called the storm. So what is the difference between breeze and storm? Breeze, when the wind blows softly and gently, it is called the breeze, and when the wind blows fast and strong, then it is called the storm. Now second, wind has force. Wind has force. Wind has a lot of force. Wind has a lot of force, and walk against the wind on a windy day, you shall feel the wind pushing you back with a force, and wind storm can cause damage to us, and it can blow things uproot trees and poles. So we can say that wind has force, and force of the wind can be helpful. It can helpful in different ways. Wind force helps the ship sail fast, and it turns the windmills, and it helps the farmers to separate grain from the chaff, and wind force is also used to generate electricity. And then wind has direction. When wind blows in one direction at a time, and a wind coming from the west is called the west wind, and when wind is coming from the east, then it is called the east wind. Sailboats sail in the direction of the wind, in which direction it is going, and branches of the trees move in the direction of the wind also. Kites and balloons floats in the direction of the wind, and a wind vane helps you to know the direction of the wind. And in this chapter we learned about moving air is called the wind, and what is the difference between breeze and a storm. Soft and gentle wind is called the breeze, and when wind blows fast and strong, then it is called the storm. And you know that wind has force, wind has speed, and wind has direction. You know that wind vane is also known as the weathercock, and wind speed is measured with an instrument. That instrument is called the anemometer. That instrument is called the anemometer. So this is the chapter 12, moving air is wind. and you will take revision of this chapter.